Bakithi ngi-late mara sengikhona. Thank you for the support, ngiyabulela. November, let me greet you. November, you scatter for our brains. November, you bring too much wahala. But we welcome you, we welcome you. We were not ready for all your zgaxa nazgaxa, but welcome nonetheless. Welcome November. Unandi and the Rev. Queen Nandi and the Rev. Ndifuna ukuthi there's still hope, my genge. As Undozin once said, there is still hope, my genge. Singalahli ithemba. Listen, love unamahlande nyuka. It's the roses and the thorns in Loveville. We saw some roses this week. Please, no. Now we saw some roses. Ekungaqhushumbi isidala. Some roses were in there, and I like it. Ubaba kaNandi, people on the socials are saying he needs his own reality TV show because he's the flame, he's the fire. The streets are saying that. The streets, it's not me. Nandi and the Rev, after the storm is over. So sabona ke ngoku a little bit of sunshine this week. Bayathetha into yobana uNandi nabazali bakhe hayi akuzukwazi ubakho i-meeting because of the way things had ended the previous week. Magedlela, amanzi, in. Yabona, all the sparks between uNandi and her in-laws that took place. So they cannot be a family meeting. You understand that? Because koqhushumba nje. Queen Nandi, I do understood that sometimes you are not EBFFs with the in-laws. You understand that? Your in-laws are your in-laws, not your in-loves. And it's okay, mabethu. But I feel like uNandi no Revne, they should have sat down. Okanye next time uRev ekhumbula ifamily yakhe efuna uba ize eGoli. uRev lets uNandi know that, listen, I miss my family. I want them to come down. And then uNandi says, uyayazi mos into yobana mna nefamily yakho siyi-oil namanzi asizwani. So please book for them. Go see them where you see them. I don't want them stepping foot here, disturbing my peace in my place. You understand? Because and then uba ndithi relationship yabona beyond repairs, sadly so. But if it is, then uRev, it's still his family. You may not get along with them, you may not like them much, but even though uRev is the soup in the mix, because uRev nguye othethe izinto ngefamily yakhe kuNandi. Hence now uNandi wants to protect him from his own family, because you said bazi baby sharks. Do. They want to bite you, or they've beaten you. Do. And then your wife look at him side eye. Bombastic side eye because of the things that you had said. You understand? The things that we say sometimes to our lovers about our families. And now when they give them bombastic side eye, Nat is very shocked. So Rev, take responsibility, because whatever fallout you had and whatever conclusion uNandi got to, it was not nje by her own self. Mhlawumbi she has experienced le nto ukhala ngayo ngefamily yakho. But kaloku sukothuka ngoku xa engabafuni endlini yenu, xa engafuni umithinga nabo. Don't be so shook and so shooketh as if all that has taken place wena bungekho. Yayibona laa nto? Ndithi uba xabana nabo, vana nabo, but protect your wife, protect your family. If now uyayazi meetings zabo, they always end in drama, don't bring them to her. Don't bring them to your family home. Did wrong? And right? And yes. You tell me. Then guess yabona Rev usukile ke from ifamily yakhe, they flew out. They didn't continue with filming, they flew out. Uyafika ke ngoku shem uNandi kodwa behlile mabetnana. uNandi is saying sorry. Uyawahla wamellow and mild. Excuse me, nana. It's in this November. You're mellow and mild. Yeah, she's like, I'm tired of fighting. Andazi nento esiyilwelayo. Tell me what we're fighting for. Yeqa? Masenze love story yethu ibe beautiful. They kind of make up, right? Yes. Like ebezithobile emabedna noNandi. It was a beautiful moment to see. Ezithoba, esihla, ecela uxolo. But ke ngoku umRev kodwa awunabo obusiniki nobusilayo. Ngoba ke ngoku udibana notata kaNandi, right? Utata kaNandi uzama umthethisa into yobana ndoda, that's what I felt mna. Ndoda, put your house in order. Uyayibona? And then utata kaNandi uyathetha ngee-instances where umRev was not a responsible man, where he didn't put his house in order. In fact, ibemosha, ibinguye ebegqavaza umzi wakhe. Caba kwakuphume imali enkulu, sentsha zinkulu kakhulu, but 180,000 is big money. UmRev wayeyibhubhudla eBhofolo. Wayeyibhubhudla imali ye-insurance eBhofolo, washiya uNandi nabantwana, bhubhudling the money. Bakithi, they were beautiful moments, man. Nimbona utata kaNandi saying sorry. Niyabazi kwemos abazali bethu, before they say sorry bawuqala babeke intontoni, but ekusalayo uxelela uxolo udade kaNandi. Yeah, there were some beautiful moments, and he explained where he's coming from. So umRev noko makamophulele utata. I'm not saying excuse his behavior, but utata man uthethile from the heart. I like that. I respect abantu abanjenganga utata kaNandi, really I do. Listen, there has been 10 last week because of that incident. But I've had a change of heart. I'm when we're allowed to change our minds. I'm looking forward to it. And I hope that noko baqhubekeke ngezi several colors basinike zona. It was really nice. I enjoyed it. Bendingadinanga and as per usual. Yeah, I'm looking forward to more episodes. They are a beautiful family. They did bring besesidikiwe zizithembu here and then everywhere else. And I said, so bazise enye flavor. And I kind of like it, but I hope they will be better and do better. Until next time, toodles. Bye-bye.